What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out the limit using the L'Hopital's rule. The first one is saying that limit of 7x cubed minus 2x plus 1 divided by 6x cubed plus 1 when x is approaching infinity. So when you sub it, there is going to be infinity over infinity. It means that we need to use the L'Hopital's rule. So when you find out the derivative, is going to be limit of derivative of numerator, which is going to be 21x squared minus 2 plus 0 over derivative of denominator, which is 18x squared when x is approaching infinity. That's again is going to be infinity over infinity. Then we need to do another L'Hopital's rule. That's going to be 42x over 36x when x is approaching infinity. Then x and x cancels out, is going to be 42 over 36. When you simplify it, is going to be 7 over 6, and it's going to be the final answer. Next example is limit of 8 minus x over x cubed when x is approaching infinity. That's going to be negative infinity over infinity. It means that we need to use the L'Hopital's rule. Derivative of 8 is 0. Derivative of negative x is negative 1. Derivative of x cubed is 3x squared when x is approaching infinity. That's going to be negative 1 over x squared. Negative 1 over infinity. That's going to be equal to 0. That's how we use L'Hopital's rule in order to find out the limit when we are dealing with intermediate forms. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.